Hello, sir. Today we want to explain the code reconfiguration PSO optimization. The code we want to explain all the code and all the line, and also explain the result. So the first thing is to why did you use the main program or the main file? Because to know from where you can start. If you missing this main program or main file, we expected to not know from where the program should be run. So we put it in the main program to code only the PSO, and after that the program is start. So this is means that indicate that for you to run the main program, and after that all the function will be operate. In the main program, the PSO is the only thing to call the PSO, and after that the PSO enter here, and after that clear and CLC all the command window and workspace, and after that we define the number of decision variable. The number of decision variable is dependent on the number of tile line in your system. So we have 5 tile line in your system. So we have 5 parameters, and after that we define the variable size and the minimum and maximum number of variable size. The minimum and maximum number of variable size is dependent on the, as you see here, is dependent on the tile line. The tile line one, that mean from 3 to 57. So if you connected this tile line, you can only open 19 or 18, 19 line. So as you see here, if you want to connect or reconfigure the tile line 1, so we can only open 19. This is mean that the number of line can you open. So the second also the same 11, you can open 11 if you want to connect it or reconfiguration the tile line 2, and so on. And this is that difference, because in the tile line 1, as you see here, 19 can you open, and the last one you can 30 can open. So this is the number of line can open. So the program will optimize which is the number, and after that we will explain how to arrange that. And after that we also but we reback to that. Why do you do that? To remain the network as a radial network, and all the buses connected with the supply bus, the slack bus, the bus one. So to remain all the buses connected with the slack bus and the network is still radial, not compared to the another network, looping network. So in the tile line, if you want to connected the tile line in 1, you can open only 19, and so on. The tile line 3, open 14 line. This is the choice. What's 1 from the 14, 1 from the 11, you can open it to keep that. So and after that we also to start to PSO to parameters, the maximum number of iteration for PSO, and the population size, the number of population size, and the PSO parameters, inertia, weights, damping, personal learning coefficient. This is the factor can you use to find the new position after optimize. And also we have applied also the velocity limits. The velocity, that means the particles can move from a current position to the best position in the limit of velocity, in the limit velocity not exceeded that limit. And after that we also start to initialization some parameters like particle position, particle cost, particle velocity, particle best position, and particle best cost, and this also we defined also the global best cost as infinity, and also the particles also we defined it as an empty, not as a number, and after that we loaded the line load. The line load, and this is the two that should be work on it in the line data of the bus. And in the next video, we start to explain how to initialize the position or particles for our system.